Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your payment method on Distrokid step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Distrokid website. Once the homepage loads, log into your account using your email address and password. After logging in successfully, you will arrive on your dashboard. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with different account options. From this menu, select the option called Credit Card. You can also directly open the payment method page by visiting the Distrokid Card Management section. Once the page opens, you will see your current payment methods saved on your account. Here you can manage your existing cards or add a new payment method. To update your payment information, click on the Add Payment Method button. Now enter your new credit card or debit card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, cardholder name, and security code. Double check all the information before continuing. After entering everything correctly, save the new payment method to your account. You can also keep multiple cards on file. This is useful because if your primary card gets declined, Distrokid may automatically use your backup payment method for future charges or subscription renewals. And that's it. You have now successfully changed your payment method on Distrokid.